Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing 3 maintenance details for my client that we do every week. So it's gonna be a Bronco, an Audi, and a Tesla. Let's get right into it. Follow me along. All the foam is just beating like water.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. So how long will this last for this car, the coating?
We put a 3-year coating on this one.
3 year?
Yeah.
So when you wash this car, to keep the coating on, you have to do it like every week or a special kind of soap or something?
Nah, nothing special. Just make sure it's pH neutral, that doesn't harm the ceramic coating. So we like to use our own like ceramic coating soap, just to keep it nice and like protected at all times.
Yeah.
And then just do your maintenance, your regular maintenance on your ceramic coated vehicles, like every 1 to 2 weeks. Don't let it build up so it stays in its best condition. But there's nothing like really too crazy or special you have to do.
Now, would you recommend taking this one in through one of those drive-through car washes?
No, definitely not.
No.
Because prior to installing the ceramic coating, we had to do a 1-step correction. That's very nice. A 1-step correction on this vehicle, and when you take it through the tunnel wash, it messes it up. It gives it swirls again.
So when they coat it like this, does it make it easier to wash or faster to wash?
A little bit, in a way. It mostly just keeps it looking like brand new after every wash.
Oh, okay. But for you, like, does it save you time for the...
I wouldn't necessarily say it saves me time, just because I personally get even extra careful when a vehicle's already been coated.
Oh, okay.
Just because you don't want to get any swirl marks on it. And I usually like to blow dry for the most part, most of it. Instead of getting a drying towel, I just blow dry most of the vehicle. And in my opinion, it kind of takes a little bit, like it's kind of the same time frame, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't really see myself being a lot faster when a vehicle's coated or not.
Oh, okay.
It just looks a lot better when the service is completed.
Yeah.
Than if a vehicle wasn't coated.
So what's your game plan for this customer? Knock this one out and then go to the Audi?
Knock this one out and then go to the Audi.
How long do you think it'll take you?
Hour and a half to 2 hours for both.
All right.
Hey, and this is 1 layer.
So you could add more layers?
Yeah.
What's the benefit of having multiple coats?
So the benefit is the durability is going to be a bit longer. Protection is going to be a bit better. The hydrophobic properties are going to be a bit better. And it's mainly the durability wise. And like when you add, so your first, I like to think of it as like when you throw your first layer on, it gets all soaked up into like the pores of the clear coat. And then your second layer is just to like make sure everything's like completely flat and all the way even. And then you can do like, we personally do up to 3 layers. After 3, you kind of don't see too much of a difference. So we just kind of keep it at 3. And then that would be like our 7-year coating. But for the most part, most clients just go for 3 or 5 years, just because most clients don't plan on keeping their cars for more than 5 years.
Pretty busy day, Tony. How do you manage all the work by yourself?
I don't know, I just do it.
Just do it?
Just do it.
You couldn't get any help today, or?
No, I didn't want any.
No help?
I didn't want any. Not today. Not enough income for today to hire someone, like make it worth hiring someone else.
Got it. So Tony, are you excited for next Sunday?
Next Sunday?
It's daylight savings.
Oh.
more daylight.
I don't know how I feel about it yet.
No.
Because I don't really plan on, I'm not really trying to work. Like, I'm starting to like my free time now.
Okay.
So I still want to work every day, but I'm not trying to work 7 a.m. to like 10 p.m. like I used to.
Got it.
So like I'm trying to get more strict on my times and stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm especially not gonna work like after like 5, 6 p.m. if it's not worth my time. Like many details and things like that. Like nah, they gotta be like full corrections or codings or things like that where like I can't like just leave the job midway done and stuff.
Yeah.
Then I'll for sure like try to book that in. But for like many details and stuff, like 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and that's about it.
So Tony, how's the job going?
Pretty decent. It's getting really late. It's almost 7 now. We still got to finish pretty much everything on this one, and then do the finishing touches on the Tesla. So we probably got like another hour and 20 minutes to go. So we'll probably be finished around like 8.
Cool.
Long day.
How long have you had this customer?
I think it's like 2 years now.
2 years. How did they get in contact with you?
Referral from another client.
Oh, okay. And they've been pretty reliable?
Yeah, pretty much weekly for the past like 2 years now.
So Tony, since you do everything yourself, does it ever get overwhelming?
Yeah.
How do you handle it? Doing everything for the business, you know? The work, the admin.
I just do it. Try to stay energized. Try to get back to everyone within like 24 hours. And then, yeah, that's about it.
So Tony, can you give us an update on the job?
Yeah, so we're pretty much almost done with both of them. It's now about like 7:30. We just got finishing touches left on both of them, so we're getting the wheels dialed in on the Tesla. The wheels on the Audi are already dialed in. And then we have to do windows on both and door jambs on both, and then look over everything, make sure there's no streaks on the paint on the inside. And then that's about it, and that's a wrap. And then we got to go fill up on gas, fill up on water, refill the products, head back home, maybe get something to eat, and then do it all over again tomorrow.
Damn. Hey, so earlier a customer came up to you and he asked for a same day car wash or detail?
Yeah.
Did you try to squeeze him in or no?
Absolutely not, because we're so booked out right now. He was actually trying to get it done like right now after I'm done with these two, but I'm like, no, I got to prepare myself for tomorrow, and if I were to do yours, I'd be like so messed up for tomorrow. So plus like it's just if he was like let's say he was like a previous client or something in this area, I might have maybe like an outside only type of thing.
Yeah.
But then it was also an SUV. It was a pretty large SUV, so I know it would have taken me like another 2 to 3 hours just to knock that one out, especially since there's no sun now. It takes a little bit longer to drive the vehicles.
Yeah.
And then the lighting's not that great, so I had to bring the lights, move them around, and then just it's a little bit more time consuming when doing details at night. So I let him know. He tried to do something like this weekend. It's Friday today, so tomorrow's Saturday, booked out, and then it's Sunday, booked out. And so I told him it'd have to be like next week, and he just didn't want to do it. So I was like, all right, well, have a good day.
Yeah. So you don't feel like burnt out or too overwhelmed with all these details?
For tonight?
Or in general?
Not right now. I'm pretty solid right now. No, I'm chilling. I'm doing good. I just got to get some food because I'm starting to get hungry, and I'm definitely a little bit dehydrated, but I'll take care of that as soon as I'm done with here.
You had a lot of details to do. What keeps you motivated to keep going?
I guess like my future and where I want to be. I don't know. There's no reason for me to not to do this. Well, definitely my goals in life and my ambition, I guess.
Yeah.
Just keeps me moving forward. I gotta get a Supra like as soon as possible, because every time I feel like I'm getting closer to owning a Supra, the prices just keep skyrocketing up. So I'm like, damn.
Shoot.
So I got a lot of like goals in life. I'm trying to have like a big car collection, like over 500 cars and stuff.
Damn.
Yeah, trying to have at least like one house in every state in the United States and maybe one house in every country and stuff. So these big goals, they keep me like working.
Yeah.
Because I'm not gonna get there just sitting around doing nothing.
True. So Tony, when and how do you relax?
At night when I go to sleep.
When you go to sleep? At the racetrack? Is that relaxed time?
Racetrack is fun time. Not really relax. It depends. There's sometimes it gets stressful at the racetrack, but for the most part, it's just like fun time, experience time. A little bit of competition, but not really. It's just mostly on yourself.
Yeah.
Since it's time attack. But there's a couple days that I take off. Like, I don't take specific days off. It's just more like if a meet or a cruise or something pops up that I'm interested in going, then I'll consider it and see if I have to do anything for that day work-wise. And if I don't, then I'll book it in to have like a fun day or something. But like for the most part, I try to book as much work as I can in.
Yeah.
Rather than like fun events, lately at least. But yeah. Alright, well there you guys have it. That's how we did our maintenance details on these 3 vehicles. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe and tap the notification bell to be reminded on our future videos that come out. We're trying to post a lot more videos every single week now, so stay tuned on that. And let me know in the comments down below how many vehicles do you guys usually do a day with these type of packages. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.